Good afternoon, members of the press, and welcome to this press conference. The party leadership, under the leadership of President Tsvangirai, has met today for about 4 hours. I think we all appreciate the exigencies of our political moment. They have deliberated on that, and to take us through on what the party has decided regarding the goings on in the country. Is the president who is going to read us a statement. But I will ask the party spokesperson Wangutu to what he seems represented.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for coming at a very late notice. Without wasting any of your time, I know you've been very anxious for this moment. We are happy President Tsvangirai is here, as you can see, ready to go. So I will not take any more of your time. Over to you, President.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. The country has been going through extraordinary circumstances. And we met today as the leadership of the MDC to reflect on what's taking place and what is our decision. You are aware that President Mugabe has been in charge over the last 4 decades, nearly so. And has presided over violent, rigged elections. Unfortunately, regional bodies have tolerated this for far too long. We note, of course, that the end game, the destination point to the resolution of this crisis in Zimbabwe is a total return to legitimacy and a fully civilian rule through a credible, free and fair election under an independent, internationally supervised body. We also acknowledge that the national solution to the national problems are best sculptured by the people of Zimbabwe, with the solidarity of the international community. Further, we acknowledge and salute